What's up, guys? It's Laura here. So what I'm doing is bird watching today. You want love, kitty? Oh, sorry, in the middle of my video. I'm kind of bird watching today. If it's not really that exciting to you guys, I might make a new YouTube channel that might relate to. Kitty, stop like that! Stop! That is so creepy. You don't do that. So she says, touch my furry butt, usually. It's funny. And she's also giving me devil faces right now because I'm touching her. Not enough. Oh, my Queenish kitty. Head message. Please, now. You should really download this app called, Hello Pet. It's a really cool app. I love that app. And also, I'm giving a shout out to my favorite YouTuber. It's JoJo Siwa. Yeah, kind of my favorite YouTuber, but she's like my second YouTuber. Let's just say not it's JoJo Siwa. Let's say Sky Squad. Yeah, that's my favorite YouTuber. She's like awesome. She literally everything is about slime. Literally. She has awesome videos, awesome captions, awesome. Now I can hear a bunch of birds. They're probably, oh guys, there's a bird. The first bird I have found. Beautiful, guys. Guys, it's absolutely beautiful. So it's at the first bird feeder. It's absolutely beautiful. I don't know if you guys can see, but so there's some cool birds. I think it's a cowboy. Look, I think I kind of like. Yeah, it's definitely a cowboy because cowboys are brown usually, so I like cowboys. Cowboys are awesome. So yeah, I like the cowboy. Cowboys are cool. It reminds me of cows, basically. I'm watching you, kitty. But tell me more, boy. Sounds like a fantasy. Oh, what could go so wrong with a girl and a zombie? So, no birds. The other one. I can hear other birds. Oh my god, guys, it's a robin. No, not a robin. Cardinal. They're rare. Yeah. So bird watching is a really cool thing. Oh, kitty! You're so cute. We're gonna wait. Ooh, something different on our mailbox. Hummingbird. It's cloudy, kitty. You know that, right? Yeah, I know. Don't give me that look. Can we get one more, kitty, please? Please. Maybe, kitty, okay? Maybe I said, don't get excited or I won't. What are you doing, buddy? Just getting cuddling up with your sister. See? He's so cute. Yes, they are so cute together. See them? Say hi, Butterball! Yeah, they're cute together. So they kind of made it together and everything. So yeah. They kind of made it, and their brother and sister. If you're worried about something, tell me. No, I'm not worried about anything, kitty. So yeah, today is going to be a great day. No, it's not, kitty! Stop! It's raining and my pants are wet. So it was raining? No, it's not. So like, kitty, do a dog and tell me how that goes with a cat and a dog. Do they fight and everything? And my cat, Nala, really wants a dog. No, wants a cat, another cat with it. She's super adventurous. So the next one I'm gonna name is Fluffy. Yeah. So next one I'm gonna name is Fluffy, and I think it's gonna be really cute. Oh, what's the matter, Nala? Nala, stop giving me that noise. Nala, stop! You are in big trouble. Sorry. Yeah, guys, we only see 2 birds today. So maybe tomorrow would be a better day if it's sunny. So sunny days are probably the best days to go bird watching because they're, yeah. But what about worm watching? Well, some people don't like worms. Now it's raining again, so that was the end of our video. Bye!